you, and I've already been in, and there's so many great things I can't wait to show you. And then I think at the end I'm going to show you some of this window display, so stay tuned for the end. They've got gorgeous ready to wear, so let's head on in. And of course, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. It helps me out so much. And if you want to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, I have more short form videos over there. And next you will see me inside Chanel. And I just saw these two, patent gray, champagne gold hardware. These are so pretty. I love the little top handle. They open on both ends. The color is beautiful. And then there's this beautiful dusty blue sweater. Look at that little detail on the back. All these gorgeous sequins. This, I believe, comes in several different colors, but I love this blue tone. It's beautiful. And then this one, look the way it shimmers. Such a beautiful sweater. I love the pinkish purple tones on that. And then again, can we see the little details? Let me put this down so I can show you. Look at that little, almost like a brooch. It's beautiful. That is really, really nice. And then look at this sort of cropped blazer. This has a really nice cut, like a moto jacket almost. Really nice shoulders. This is a great piece. And then look at the edge detailing on it. Oh, I love this. There's this vest over here. They have a lot of vests. So I'm trying on this amazing Coco Neige coat that she wanted me to try on. The sales associate is so nice. Now look, hopefully it focuses. Look at the details on this. It has the N for Coco Neige. I mean, this is so cool. So this is in a size 44. I'm technically a 42, but you know, this still looks really cool. A little oversized. Let me see if I can try on another coat. Let's see, 86.90. Okay, we've got this one here. It's kind of like a trench style. I love it. So here it is closed. It's got double buttons. Such a cool piece. And then let me open it so you can see what it looks like open. And how cool is that open? Love the lapels on it. It's got these little lion heads on the buttons. It's very understated. Very cool piece. And it is $67.20. It's beautiful. So here's a fun, oversized blue one. Not my style. Ah, okay. No. The color's really bright. It is. It's a beautiful blue. Just not for me. It's a cool fit though. I do. So here's the denim. You're not gonna get this one? What about the wallet on chain? Maybe. The denim pieces are so nice. They also came with a lighter version. Did you? I prefer the dark one too. Definitely. Love these. I know it was. Oh, I know. So in 2016 they were $4,800. And now in the US they're $8,800. It's insane. And it's 80. Yeah, they raised the prices because of the euro, which is such BS. Yeah, and they don't have anything. The only ones they have right now are the denim ones, right? I know, it's ridiculous. But the wallet on chain's nice. So yeah, these little ones over here are so pretty. I love the beading detail. I always love these little sling bags. These are very unique and kind of a fun color. And then I gotta show you these ones here. They have little sequins on them. And yeah, they're really pretty. I love those. So this is the denim classic flap. It's pretty much the only classic flap that they currently have, at least today. They do have some minis as well. They told me that they had some minis in the back, but for those who wanted to see a denim one, this is it. It's got beautiful champagne gold hardware on it, and it's the exact same price as their leather bag, so it's not any less because it's denim. But if you love denim, this is a really great piece. Here we are upstairs, and over here they've got more loafers. Love these with the pearls, so beautiful. And then look at these, they're so pretty. Love those. They also have these little sets over here, these beautiful cashmere scarves that say Chanel. And this one has the black beading. The black one just has this little design on it. I definitely prefer this one. Look at this cute little heart charm. And then these beautiful pearls. Let's see. 28.70 euros, I believe it's for the necklace. This little cord. And it says, it's got the little camellias in the center. It's so pretty. I love these curtains over here with the pearls. These are beautiful. This winter coat with the buttons are so pretty. I love this dress over here. This is a very unique piece in velvet. Here is that item that I showed you on the mannequin on the rack. It's really unique. And then I just want to show you guys these ones over here. I love the sparkle of these. Kind of like a houndstooth, the different shapes and like sizes. I love these. They also have them in black, which I'm quite surprised. Oops. So here they are in black, patent. These are quite unique. I've never seen those before. Pearl detail. And then there's these. Again, they kind of have those little sequins and they shine beautifully. These are pretty cool. They remind me of those Givenchy shark boots. I love the little classic Chanel chain going all around the boot. These are 2,900 euros. They also have it in the leather version. The leather version is beautiful. I definitely prefer the suede with that little chain detail, but these are very cool as well. And then these are my favorite right now from Chanel. These are just amazing with the little, there are these deep green, hopefully you guys can see, they're very dark green. I love these. I just wonder how comfortable they would be, especially in the patent, but I love these. And then they have it in the white. I've never seen it in that green color. The green color is my favorite one. And this one, look at that beautiful CC over there. The gold, kind of like a bronzy gold. Then they have these over here. Again, I love that chain detail, the little CC charm. They're a combat boot style. These are very cool. This pearl Chanel bag is beautiful. Let's see. 11,550 euros. I love these brooches over here. They're so pretty. I love those. So they've got these these are leather. I thought they were satin, but as I can see up close, they're got the little CC embossing. They're very unique. And then they're also in blue. This is a little card case on chain with silver hardware. And then over here, they've got this great little pink wallet. Those are little earrings, I think. I'm not sure. This sweater is so much fun. And then they've got this great piece over here. Look at the buttons on that. So pretty. This coat over here reminds me of a coat I first saw when I first started looking at Chanel years ago, from like 2016. I haven't seen a coat like this in a long time at Chanel. I love those buttons. Love the length of it. And then there's this little houndstooth belt in pink. Shoes over here. Love the tweed and the gray and black. Those are stunning. And then they've got this little tote over here with the antique gold hardware. It's got a long shoulder strap inside with the red interior. And then just to show you guys how beautiful, they're so shiny. There's so many of these little gorgeous belts. Love these with the black. And then here is another incredible coat. It's always the buttons for me. This vest is amazing. Look at the beautiful button details on that. There you can see is Avenue Montaigne, and just across the street there's another Chanel. And then here is another coat. You see, this has sequins. Chanel has done ones like this, but the first one I showed you, which I'll show you again over there, this one is very beautiful. Hopefully it's focusing. This one's really pretty. Let's see how much this one is. And they have more of these little pearl bags over here. These beautiful Chanel brooches. And check out these little hearts. They're just, I guess, a cute accessory to add on. And then this little bag over here. These little pearl ones, these little pearl earrings are so cute. Love this little denim classic flap over here. And these socks are very cool as well. This is so pretty. I love all of this ready to wear. Gorgeous. Especially the buttons are so stunning. Same with these over here. And this one, I remember, this is from an older collection, this cardigan. It also came in a longer version. These little brooches are so cute. I think these are like little bangles. They're very, very pretty. These are pretty cute. And then they also have these little brooches over here. This one is 11,500. And then these are just classic Chanel leather riding boot, and they've got the little diamond quilting on that side. These are so classic. I really love this style. And then they've got these in this leather version. They also have it in the suede. These are the suede ones. And then these, not really my style. I like the little back on Chanel, but they're nothing special in my opinion. And then they've got these great suede boots. These are just below the knee in this taupey color. These over here with the beautiful antique gold CC. Beautiful buckles, patent toe cap. These beautiful heels over here with the pearl detail. A lot of suede. There's this little cuff over here. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. I do want to just kind of zoom in and show you these amazing outfits. They have such beautiful ready to wear. I loved trying on those coats. They were stunning. So again, please subscribe. If you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel. I do these videos every single week, and there's gonna be so much Paris content to come, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.